Hi everyone, my name is Mitchell, one of the modern arnis practitioners here in the Philippines. I'm part of the organization MATI, or Modern Arnis Tapi-Tapi International. Now, I have two primary reasons bakit I created this channel. By the way, thank you for visiting my channel. So, the first thing is to have memories sa lahat ng pinagpupuntahan ko and sa practice para pagkatanda ko, I have something to watch. Diba? So meron akong makikita na ganito pala siya gawin, ganito pala siya. Or ito pala yung mali ko, ito pala yung tama. So I can have comparison kung ano yung progress ko as a practitioner. The second primary reason is I want to share what I learned in the modern arnis. Okay, so this is gate opener sa mga gustong mag-try mag-arnis. Gusto mong matuto ng, ito kasi sariling atin ang arnis. Nagmula ito sa soil ng Philippines according sa aming Grandmaster Remy Presas. Okay, so yung mga ituturo ko dito ay based sa mga nalalaman ko. If you will ask me, am I going to teach correct stuff? In my perspective, yes, I will share the correct, but you decide kung tama ba yung pinagagagawa ko or hindi. Now, there are people na mas may alam sa akin, good. Of course, even na natututo ka sa mga videos ko, I still encourage you to find your own master or coach in actual. Kasi iba pa rin yung feeling ng drills kapag may partner or actual mo siyang ginagawa. Okay, so it could be easy kapag pinapanood mo siya, you can do this, you can do that. Pero pag may partner ka, yung execution ng techniques ay iba ang pakiramdam. You can watch my videos and get good stuff from it, and then kahit sang organization ka mapunta, please don't be the person na know it all. Yung alam ko yan, napanood ko na yan, alam ko na to. So always open for learnings. Okay, so hindi lang kasi modern arnis ang pwede mong makita sa Pilipinas. Napakadaming organization and styles ng Filipino martial arts. Okay, so yun lang. Thank you for visiting my channel, and hugay po.